Let me solve this problem using SAS. For that, the saved CSV file I have already uploaded here. It's available here, and I'm going to read that using proc import command and make a dataset called DOB data. Here I'm putting replace, so if by chance data is already there, it will get replaced. So I got the data set, and you can see I have got all the values correctly. Now let me go ahead and in this data set take a look at what kind of variable I have. It is expected to have one character variable and three numeric variable. So you have one character, gender has come character, but if you see day of DOB, that has come as a character, and these two has come as a number. So you'll have to deal with this situation as well, because this has come as a character. What we can do, we can create format day of DOB as 2 dot, and then day of DOB equal to 1 into day of DOB. So day of DOB underscore 1 will take the numeric form of day of DOB. Now we are creating DOB, and we are going to use function mdy. Mdy function has three components: month, date, year, and that's why you are putting month here, date here, year here. When you will run it, it will create DOB date, which will be a proper date field. Again, same way I can create ref date, which is month 03, date 31st, year 2015. When you will minus these two, you will get age in days, and obviously age in days divided by 365, and floor of that will give you age in years. So let me just run it. I got the data set which has, you see, day of DOB, day of D, age in days, everything has come blank. Why it has happened that way? It has happened because what we are not able to see, it is taking that way. Take a look what is happening. When you go to the output, you will find the day of DOB has come blank. And why it is doing that way? Just because this data which we are seeing 29, probably there is something in front of this, and that's what is coming in log. So if you go in the log, it is saying 0.29, 0.3, and we are not able to see even 0.29, 0.3, anything. As I have told many times that as a programmer you are supposed to know how to handle error as well, and that's what we need to learn every time. So let's run the same thing again, but this time we'll do substr, and we'll start only from the second character, and we'll take two characters after that. This time you'll get the result. You'll get the dataset, you'll get the result. So take a look, this time age, DOB, everything should come populated. So first DOB1 has come populated, 29 has become 29. The only difference is this is now text and this has come as a number. Now I have got the date, DOB date, whatever the format, don't bother. This is the ref date, minus age in days is coming as whatever, and then divided by 365 is giving my age in years. Now go ahead and make a bivariate plot. We are using vbar command and subgroup at gender so that I could get gender within each bar. So this is the outcome. It is giving you female count and male count. Now one question, that what does 10.5 means? To understand this better, let's run the procfrec and we'll just come back to this. So what I'm going to do, I'll run this procfrec. It looks like I didn't select properly. So let me just run it again. So it is telling you At age 35 you have 8 and 5, you have 1 missing, and you have at 10, 26, 11, for 18 female, you have 48 and 42. So what is that program has done? The program is putting 10.5, which means it is summing these two. Then it is putting 12.5. Let me just run it again. For the sake of repeating, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this and put this into a temporary PPT. I hope I'll get properly. If I'm not, I'll just take the screenshot, because when the screenshot will do for me. Has it come properly? Let me just go ahead, delete some of them. Let me get it here and make it readable. So I have that. So let's go ahead, take a look what it is doing in the graph. Let me run it once again. So it is saying 90 and 10.5 just because it has combined 10 and 11, and 48 and 42 is coming as 90. It is saying total male 26 plus 18 and total female 26 plus 18, total male 22 plus 24, which will become 46. So if you go and take a look at the output, this is how the red has come, and this is how and you can see this is 44 and this is 46 here. Take a look at the another number 12. It is showing you total 39. How it has got 39? So 12 is 39 altogether. That's what you can see. It is showing you 25 male and 14 female. So you have 14 female, 29 male. Now 13.5. 13.5 is again 13 and 14, midway of that. So in 13 you had 42, in 14 you had 42, so it is going to show you 84 results, and that's what you are seeing here. And within that, how many males it is showing you? It is the sum of 17 and 17, which will give you 34. That's what you are seeing here. So you are able to take text fields, numeric field, convert them into date field using mdivide command, work with the date field and create the desired years, and then you are able to produce the chart. That's how you achieve the task using SAS.